Have you ever dreamt of feeling financially secured and empowered, free from the gnawing anxiety of unpaid bills and the constant worry about how you'll make ends meet? Imagine a future brimming with possibility where you can comfortably afford the things that are truly important to you and the ability to pursue your passions and interests. This dream is attainable for everyone with the right tools and mindset. Ready to take charge of your financial future? This channel is your one-stop shop for learning about money management, personal finance, and smart investing strategies. Subscribe now to unlock valuable knowledge and hit the like button if this video resonates with you. The key to unlocking financial freedom lies in setting smart financial goals and systematically achieving them. At the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding on how these can be done. Understanding SMART goals. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific. Set a clear and concise goal that outlines exactly how much you want to save for what purpose and within a specific time frame. An example of a specific financial goal could be save $850 every month for a down payment on a car, aiming to reach a total of $200 in 1 year. Measurable. Track your progress in a way that motivates you. You can utilize budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or any method that helps you visualize how much closer you are to reaching your goal. Seeing your progress as you save each month provides a sense of accomplishment and keeps you engaged in the process. Mobile budgeting apps often allow you to set goals and track your progress electronically, making it quick and easy to monitor your advancement. Achievable. Be realistic. Don't set a goal that's impossible to reach, as this can be discouraging and lead to abandoning your efforts. Relevant. Make sure your goal aligns with your overall financial vision. Is it something you truly want or need? Time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your goal. This creates a sense of urgency and keeps you motivated throughout the process. Now let's talk about the 5 important steps to crafting your path to financial freedom. The 5th step is extremely important, but you will need the first 4 steps because they're all linked together. Step 1. Envisioning your dreams. Imagine your ideal financial future. Take a moment to close your eyes and truly envision what financial freedom means to you. Do you dream of traveling the world extensively, retiring early, and pursuing your passions? Perhaps achieving financial freedom involves finally paying off student loans or that lingering credit card debt. Bring your dreams to life. Don't just keep these aspirations locked away in your mind, pen them down. Writing down your goals serves 2 important purposes. It clarifies what you're working towards and fuels your motivation as you move closer to achieving them. Step 2. Taking stock, assessing your current financial landscape. Understanding your starting point. Before setting goals, it's crucial to gain a clear understanding of your current financial situation. Track your income and expenses. This involves keeping a record of the money you earn and the money you spend over a designated period, typically a month. There are numerous free apps and budgeting tools available to simplify this process. Identify your debts. Make a comprehensive list of any outstanding loans, credit card balances, etc., along with their corresponding interest rates. This provides a holistic view of your current financial obligations. Step 3. Smart goal setting, transforming dreams into actionable plans. Breaking down big dreams. Large long-term goals can feel overwhelming and difficult to grasp. To make them feel more manageable, divide them into smaller, more achievable goals. Remember, each goal must be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to you, and time-bound. Step 4. Taking action, building your financial roadmap, crafting a budget. A budget serves as your personal roadmap to financial success. It allocates your income towards various expenses, ensuring you don't overspend and stay on track with your goals. There are numerous budgeting methods available, so find one that works best for you. Always prioritize needs over wants. It's crucial to distinguish between essential expenses, that is, rent, food, utilities, and non-essential ones, like entertainment and eating out. Focus on allocating sufficient funds to cover your basic needs first. And remember to live within your means. Avoid falling into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where you increase your spending as your income rises. Resist the urge to constantly upgrade your lifestyle or feel pressured to keep up with others. Step 5. Maintaining momentum. crushing your goals and building momentum. Tracking your progress. Regularly monitor your advancement towards your goals. This can be immensely motivating and helps you stay the course. Celebrating milestones. Reaching smaller milestones deserves recognition. Reward yourself moderately for achieving them. This reinforces positive financial behavior and keeps you motivated on your journey. Opt for non-monetary rewards to celebrate your achievements. This could involve treating yourself to a relaxing evening at home, indulging in a favorite hobby, or spending quality time with loved ones. Also, ensure your rewards are proportionate to the milestone achieved. Don't go overboard and negate all your hard work. Adapting to change. Life throws unexpected curveballs. If your circumstances change, adjust your goals or budget accordingly. Always keep an open communication. If you face financial difficulties or setbacks, communicate openly with creditors or lenders. Explain your situation and explore options for modifying your payment plans. Also, don't be afraid to revisit and revise your goals as needed. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, and adapting your approach based on unforeseen circumstances is crucial for long-term success. Note the following tips as your guiding principle. Embrace continuous learning. Financial literacy is an ongoing process. Dedicate time to educating yourself about personal finance. Read books. Watch educational videos like the one you're currently watching. We also strongly suggest that you subscribe to our channel to get notification whenever we post a new video. There are numerous free online resources available to help you learn about personal finance. Some libraries often offer financial literacy workshops or seminars. Also, consider seeking professional help from a financial advisor or credit counselor if you need personalized guidance or assistance managing your finances. Beware of get-rich-quick schemes. Sadly, there's no magic formula for instant wealth. Avoid falling prey to unrealistic investment opportunities or quick money scams. Building wealth takes time, discipline, and responsible financial decisions. Focus on long-term gains. Don't chase short-term fads or trends when it comes to your finances. Focus on building long-term wealth through consistent saving and wise investments. Consider diversifying your investments to spread your risk and minimize potential losses. Enjoy the journey. While achieving financial freedom is a worthy goal, the journey itself shouldn't be solely focused on sacrifice and deprivation. Celebrate your successes, enjoy life's little pleasures, and find a healthy balance between saving and spending. Remember, building financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, perseverance, and smart financial choices. If you're wondering why it seems like everyone else is financially ahead of you, you really need to watch the video on your screen or check the description below for the link. Also remember to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notification whenever we post a new video.